Hey, this is Dave the Guitar Guy coming to you from Missouri. And what I'm doing tonight is cooking pork chops. It's with a little stuffing. Usually I make homemade stuffing. We don't have all the ingredients tonight, so we're just using this. I've got two nice pork chops, bone in, and I've got them on high heat sear. And instead of using olive oil or regular vegetable oil, I'm using Wishbone Italian dressing, and I coated the bottom of the cast iron skillet with that. And important you have a cast iron skillet so you can put this in the oven. What I'm doing is searing both sides, and give you just a second here. Should have my tools with me. I'm going to take my tongs and I'll show you what they look like. See how they have a nice brown char on them already? That's only about 1 minute on high heat. They're thick pork chops, probably about an inch thick. Put my lid back on here so I don't get grease all over the place. And I also want to mention, this isn't a plug, I'm not getting paid, but we're using Yellowstone seasoning. And I'm going to show you the two that we personally have. There's 4 brands out. Let's see here. Yellowstone butter and herb. Very, 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 very good. It stinks a little weird. It's like butter with a lot of different spices in it. And we're using the cowboy barbecue. Excuse me for the shaky hands. I'm getting old. Okay, so we use those two on porks, chops, chicken, beef. Yeah, a pork blade, and anything's good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just turn the heat completely off, because by the time that cools down just a little bit, those pork chops should be really, really bloody in the center still. I just wanted that sear on both sides. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take them and throw them in the 325-degree oven without the lid, and I'm going to cook them about another 20 minutes. And I guarantee you they're going to be so tender, so juicy, so good. You're going to love them. But if you get a chance, you can get the Yellowstone stuff on Amazon if it's not at your local store. And again, we just love it on everything. And I've always loved Wishbone Italian dressing on my porks, my steaks, and my chicken. So that's about it for today. And I hope you all have a good meal tonight. Take care. This is Dave the Guitar Guy signing out.